Good morning, students. Today we will solve the questions from exercise 9.1 algebraic expressions and identities. Students, you have already seen the introduction video of this chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. Here is question number first. In this question, you have to identify the terms and their coefficients. Okay, students? So expressions are given here. There are 4 expressions only. In the first question, there are 6 expressions, but I have written here only 4 expressions. Okay? And we will do these 4 expressions. And other 2 expressions are homework for you. Okay, students? So first part of this question, this expression, that is, in this expression you have to find out the terms, how many terms are there and what are the coefficients of those terms. उन terms के coefficients क्या है students? So first write here terms and again coefficients. Clear, student? So first expression is 5xyz square. Students, if there is an expression like this 3xyz, it means it is one term, it is single term. Okay, students? Plus and minus separates the term. स्टूडेंट जहाँ प्लस हो या माइनस लगा हो वहीं से टर्म्स सेपरेट होते हैं. अगर प्लस माइनस नहीं है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन है, सपोज 3qprs, इट मीन्स इट इज अ सिंगल टर्म. और 3x³ y to the power 5, this one is single term. Okay, if we write here that 3xyz plus 4xy, it means there are 2 terms, because there in between these 2 expressions there is a sign of plus. Okay, and if there is a sign of minus, means plus and minus divides the terms. So there are 2 terms, because in between these 2 terms there is a sign of minus. So first term is 5xyz square. Students, this one, first term 5xyz square. This is first term, and second term is minus 3xy. Students, you have to write the terms with their sign. Okay? So this one minus 3xy, this one is the second term. Okay, and what are the coefficients? What is the coefficient of the first term? The numerical value, okay student, is the coefficient of this term, that is 5. And what is the coefficient of this second term? That is minus 3. And in this expression, this is third part of question number first. 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. There are 3 terms, students. First term is 4x square y square, and second term is minus 4x square y square and z square, and third term is z square. Because in between these 2 terms there is a sign of negative, so it separates the terms. Okay, and it also separates the term, there is a sign of positive. Okay, plus. So first term is 4x square y square. Okay, student, and second term of this expression is minus 4x square y square and z square. and third term is z square. Okay, student? So, what is the coefficient of the first term? That is 4. And second term, coefficient of the second term is minus 4 here. And coefficient of the third term, students, if there is a variable like this x, it means it is 1 into x. So, coefficient is 1 here. Clear, student? If we are going to write this like this, 0 into x, it means 0. Okay, student? So, if there is a term or there is a variable x, y, z and so on, कोई भी वेरिएबल अगर वहाँ हो, it means उसके पहले 1 से हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया हुआ है. It means the coefficient is 1 there. Okay, so this one is z square. So 1 into z square is equal to z square. So coefficient is 1. Okay, student? And this term, there are 3 terms. Okay, in this expression there are 3 terms. First term, second term and this one third term. Okay, students? So first term, that is x upon y, sorry, x upon 2, x upon 2 here, and second term y upon 2 here, and third term, student, that is minus xy, minus xy. Okay, student? So here x upon 2, x by 2, it means, students, it means 1 by 2 into x. Clear? That is x by 2. So the numerical value is 1 by 2 here. The coefficient of this term is 1 by 2 here. Okay, and coefficient of this term, second term y by 2, it is also 1 by 2 coefficient, and minus xy, it means here minus, so coefficient will be minus 1 here. Okay, student? And now the last one, this one 0.3a minus 0.6ab plus 0.5b. Okay, students? So there are 3 terms. First term, second term and this one third term. So write the first term first, 0.3a, and second term is minus 0.6ab, and third term is plus 5.5b, it means 0.5b, 0.5b. Okay, students? So what are the coefficients of each term? First term coefficient is, the numerical value is 0.3. So here coefficient is 0.3, and in this term coefficient is minus 0.6. Okay, and in this term coefficient is 0.5. Okay, student? This is the question number first. Remaining 2 parts of this question you have to do yourself. This is question number second. I have not written the all question here. In this question you have to classify the monomials, binomials, trinomials and the expressions which do not belong these 3 categories. Okay, students? So expressions are given here. Okay, so first one is monomials, second binomials, third one is trinomials, first of all, we have to understand what are monomials, what are binomials, what are trinomials. Okay, students? So, in your introduction video, you have already know that expressions having one term are called monomials. जिस एक्सप्रेशन में सिर्फ सिंगल टर्म होता है उसको हम मोनोमियल्स बोलते हैं, एंड एक्सप्रेशंस हैविंग टू टर्म्स called binomials, and algebraic expressions having three terms are called trinomials, and more than three terms they are called polynomials. Okay, so you have to categorize these expressions into monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. Okay students, so first of all you have to find out the monomials. First term, you see that there are two terms because plus and minus it separates the term. Okay, so there is a sign of plus between these two terms, so it has two terms. Okay, so it is, first one is binomial. Okay, so x plus y, and this second one 1000. This is monomial because there is only single term. Okay, and this 1 2 3 4 terms means this is not a trinomial but this is a polynomial, and you have to categorize this that who do not belong these three categories. इन तीनों कैटेगरीज से जो नहीं बिलोंग करता उसमें इसको आप रखेंगे इस पॉलिनोमियल को. दिस वन x प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स क्यूब प्लस एक्स टू द पावर 4, एंड नेक्स्ट टर्म that is 7 plus y plus 5x. Okay, sure. So one term, two term, and this one three term. There are three terms, so we have to write in the category trinomials. 7 plus y plus 5x. Clear students? So this one 2y minus 3y square. There are two terms. That is binomial. So 2y minus 3y square. Okay, and in this 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube, there are three terms, so this is a trinomial. Okay, so 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. Okay friends, so this one 5x minus 4y plus 3xy, it has also three terms, first, second and third term. Okay friends, so you have to write it in trinomials. 5x minus 4y plus 3xy, and next term is 4z minus 15z square. There are two terms, so it is binomial. Okay, 4z minus 15z square, and this one term ab plus bc plus cd plus d. There are four terms, so you have to write it in the category who do not belong these three categories. Okay, so write here AB plus BC plus CD plus DE, and this one PQR. This is a single term here, one term only, PQR, so it is monomial, PQR. And this one p square q plus pq square. There are two terms, first term and this one second term, so it is a binomial. Okay, so p square q plus pq square, and this one again it has two term, 2p plus 2q, it is binomial. Okay, so 2p plus 2q. This is question number second, student, and all the expressions you have categorized into monomials, binomials, trinomials. And this is question number 3rd. In this question you have to add the given expressions. There are 4 parts in this question and I have written here only 2 parts, that is part number 1st and part 4th. So add the following expressions. Students, there are 2 methods of adding these expressions. First one is horizontal method and second one is vertical. Students, आप जैसे किसी भी नंबर को आप ऐड करते हैं तो वर्टिकल इस तरह से लिखते हैं 24 plus 25 plus 49 plus 57. This one is vertical method. And if you are writing this like this, 24 plus 25 plus 49 plus and so on, this one is horizontal method. Okay, friend? So, first question, AB minus BC, this one, AB minus BC, add this, AB minus BC, put a sign of addition between these expressions, BC minus CA, BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. Okay, friends? So, first of all, you have to choose the like terms and write the like terms one side. In one side are with each other. एक दूसरे के साथ like terms को हम लिखेंगे. AB plus, where is again minus AB, student, with their sign, minus AB. Clear? Plus this one are minus BC, this second, plus BC, and third minus CA and plus CA. लाइक टर्म्स को स्टूडेंट हमने एक तरफ कर लिया, एक साथ कर लिया. फर्स्ट AB माइनस AB कैंसिल, minus BC and plus BC, this one also cancel, and minus CA plus CA, it is cancelled, therefore it is 0. Answer is 0 here. Okay, students? And in this question we are going to solve this question applying vertical method. Okay, students? So L square, first term is L square plus M square. Okay? Second term is, you have to add this, so plus M square, write like terms with like terms. Like terms को like terms के साथ या उसके नीचे हम लिखते हैं plus N square, and next N square plus L square plus N square plus L square. Okay, student? L square को L square के नीचे हमने लिख लिया. And last term is separate term, so you can write here plus 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL. Clear? So add these. L square and L square, that is L square plus L square, that is 2L square. M square plus M square, 2M square, plus N square and N square, 2N square, plus 2LM plus 2MN plus 2 and L. This is the solution, student. Number 4 and third part of this question. Subtract p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11 cube plus 5 p cube minus 2 p q square plus 5 p square cube. Students, you have to subtract this first part from this second part. Okay students, it means subtract 10 from 7. Okay students, first of all you have to write 7, after that you have to put a sign of minus, after that you will write 10. Okay student, so 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. And again if subtract 7 from 3, it means you have to write 3 first, after that you will put a sign of negative or sign of subtraction. Okay, so after that you will write 7. 3 minus 7, from 3 to 7 you have to subtract 7 from 3. Okay, so 3 minus 7, that is minus 4. Students, same type in this question you have to subtract the first part from the second part. So first of all you have to write the second part first, that is 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square cube. Okay students, after that you have to put minus. Okay, minus, and write the first part under bracket, in a bracket. Okay, so that will be 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. Okay student, first part you will write in a bracket, under a bracket, and here is sign, that is negative sign. Okay, this one is the second step. And third step, you have to open this bracket. इस bracket को आपको open करना है student, and when you will open this bracket, then positive will be negative and negative will be positive. जो bracket के अंदर जितनी भी numbers हैं, जो negative है वो positive हो जाएंगे और जो positive हो negative हो जाएंगे. Why? Because we are going to multiply this with माइनस, माइनस नेगेटिव साइन के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करने जा रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स, इसलिए नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा और पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. एंड इन थर्ड स्टेप राइट दिस 18 माइनस 3p माइनस 11q प्लस 5pq माइनस 2pq स्क्वायर प्लस 5p स्क्वायर q. Student, this one 4p square q is positive, and after opening the bracket it will be negative, because positive is multiplied with negative. Okay, so positive negative it will make negative. Minus 4, this one will be minus 4p square q, and this minus minus it will be plus 3pq. Again this plus will be minus 5pq square, and minus will be in post plus, that is 8p minus 7q. This one plus, so minus into plus, that will be minus, and this one minus, minus into minus, that will be plus 10. Okay students, in the fourth step, this one is second step, third step and fourth step, you have to write the like terms with each other. like terms को एक दूसरे के साथ हम लिखेंगे. like terms it means 18 plus 10. This one plain number 18 plus 10, and this minus 3p and again plus 8p plus 8p. स्टूडेंट्स हम लाइक टर्म्स को 3p एंड 8p लाइक टर्म्स को एक साथ लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ साइन के साथ हम लिखेंगे. साइन उसके सामने जो भी साइन है उस साइन के साथ ही उसको एक साथ लिखेंगे. एंड अगेन दैट इज माइनस 11q माइनस 11q एंड माइनस 7q माइनस 7q. क्लियर? प्लस 5pq plus 5pq and where is pq again? That is 3pq plus 3pq plus 3pq. Clear? Again minus 2pq square minus 2pq square and minus 5pq square minus 5pq square like terms. Okay, and again plus 5p square q plus 5p square q and again p square q minus 4p square q. Clear student? Last step, this one 18 plus 10 28, because these are the like terms. So 8p minus 3p, that is plus 5p minus 11q and minus 7q, that is minus 11 7 18q. स्टूडेंट्स नेगेटिव नेगेटिव एक साथ ऐड हो जाएगा और साइन नेगेटिव का ही रहेगा. Plus 5pq and 3pq, that is plus 8pq and minus 2pq square minus 5pq square minus 7pq square and 5p square q minus 4p square q, that is only p square q. Okay students, this is the answer. And now I am going to solve this question once again in vertical method. Okay students, so we have to write this in vertical form. First write the second expression, because you have to subtract the first one from the second. So 18 minus 3p, 18 minus 3p minus 11q minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square minus 2pq square and plus 5p square q. Okay friends, now we have to write the first expression, that is minus 10. स्टूडेंट्स इसमें लाइक टर्म्स को लाइक टर्म्स के साथ करेंगे तो उसके नीचे इसमें लिखेंगे जब हम इस तरह से वर्टिकल फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. दैट इज माइनस 10 साइन के साथ इसमें यहाँ लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स माइनस 10. आफ्टर दैट p, दैट इज minus 8p minus 8p and that is q plus 7q again pq and that is minus 3pq minus 3pq and again pq square, that is plus 5pq square plus 5pq square and this p square cube, that is 4p square cube plus 4p square cube. Okay students, now you have to subtract this one from this. Okay, so you have to put a sign, negative sign. Okay students, so before this you have to put a negative sign. Minus into minus, it will be plus, minus into minus, it will also be plus, and minus plus, minus plus, it will be minus. Okay, minus into minus, it will be plus, minus into plus, that will be minus, and plus will be minus. Okay students, क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमने जो न्यू साइन यहाँ पर रखा है प्लस माइनस, माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर जो नंबर्स नेगेटिव हो वो पॉजिटिव हो गई और जो नंबर पॉजिटिव हो वो नेगेटिव हो गई. नाउ अब इन नंबर्स की एक्चुअल वैल्यू वो है जो माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर है. इट मीन्स 18 प्लस 10 दैट इज 28 and this one 8 plus 8 minus 3p. Okay, plus 5p, again minus 7q and minus 11q, minus 18q, and this one plus 3p plus 5p, sorry pq, plus 8pq. Okay, and this one minus 2pq square and minus 5pq square, minus 7pq square, and this one 5p square q minus 4p square q, that is only p square q and plus p square q. So this one is vertical method and this one is horizontal method, and answer that is 28 plus 5p minus 18q plus 8pq minus 7pq square and plus p square q. So answer is same students.